Hello everyone! Today we're going to make Indo-Chinese style chicken and shrimp noodles. This recipe contains excellent source of protein and it tastes very good, so do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I have boiled 200 grams of shrimp. My child prefers it soft, that's why I boiled it. If you prefer crunchy, no need to boil. I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken and cut into thin strips. These are very high in protein. You can also add other sources of protein such as paneer or tofu. Boil 200 grams of noodles. I use angel hair pasta as it's very thin. In a pot or kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have finely chopped 10 cloves of garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Add the chicken and the shrimp. Saute until the chicken and shrimp gets cooked completely. Adding half teaspoon of salt or add as desired. Note, we will also add soy sauce that will have salt in it. Adding 7 tablespoons of ketchup. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of any hot chili sauce or paste. This is the chili sauce that I'm using. You can also adjust all the sauces as per your taste. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Adding 1 sliced carrot and 1 sliced bell pepper. Saute for just a minute or 2. We do not want to make it too soft. Adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Mix it together. Adding 1 chicken cube. This is what I'm using. Adding 2 tablespoons of water. Now add the boiled noodles. Mix everything together. Lastly, adding half cup of chopped green onion. Our tasty Indo-Chinese style chicken and shrimp noodles are ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.